Hey guys, my name is Charan and you're watching Charan Creations. So today I'm going to prepare nutritious yogurt. The ingredients we need are curd, 1 cup of fresh curd, boiled corn, slices of apples, slices of bananas, slices of tomatoes, slices of grapes, pepper powder and salt. So let's get started. So add 1 cup of fresh curd into a bowl. Then I'm adding some boiled corn. And now I'm adding banana pieces. And now I'm adding tomatoes. And now I'm adding grape pieces. Now we should add half tablespoon of pepper powder. And 1/4 tablespoon of salt. And now we should mix this. Instead of salt, you can use honey because honey is very good for health. So mix it well. So you can take this nutritious yogurt for dinner times or in the mornings instead of breakfast because this is very healthy. And now I'm gonna taste this and tell you how it is. So let me taste and tell you how it is. Wow, it's very good. It's very tasty. So this is very tasty guys, and please try it because it's very tasty and very healthy. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment video and subscribe to Charan Creations. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.